Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a fingerprint sensor on our X8. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then locate something like a security. Right here we should see the more settings. And there's no fingerprint here, I guess. Let's check more options. Nope. Then let's go for biometrics and passwords, and right here we should find the fingerprint ID. Yep, there it is. And if we try to make a new one, fingerprint is located right here, and it also confirms that this device does have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.